What's up, y'all? Hey, we playing the live games. I'm feeling nobody's live. Sometimes I go live and it takes like half a minute to click over to where I don't know if I'm live casting when that's happening. So I like have a little colloquy with myself. That's what the courts call it, since I'm a lawyer, my own lawyer now. To myself, just figuring out things to trip out, and then I start, and then y'all get allowed access. It shows me that people are watching. But I've also learned that they can just completely suspend my oh, Catch, what's up, brother? All right, Hashish, yo, what's up, man? It's good to see my friends again. Sorry, I've been gone so long. Big Tick Kimmy, Dan St. Mary, what's up, yo, bro? Yeah, hey, thanks, guys. I appreciate y'all being here. All right. Colin, Eric, Jesse, Pena. Yeah. Dude, I was trying to get down there to go fishing, man. Okay, all right. Now I got people. Let's just get into what happened. Hey, everyone, sorry if I didn't catch you and said hello yet. Thank you for being here. All right. So the unexpected expected. Like, the unexpected is that the courts threw out charge 1 and charge 2. She just withdrew them. The Deputy Attorney General Christine Christ, prosecutor. I'm looking like a snack up in there. That's not allowed, man. For some reason they still allow her in. Anyway, they dropped. We had some baloney talk in the beginning where nothing went my way, and then it turns out she dropped motion to withdraw charges 1 and charges 2. So that's the 2-year charge for institutional vandalism. And because I got him beat in my motions, and then the second one was the trespassing, because I got that beat in my motions again. So that was the cool part, was that charge 1 and charge 2 are tossed out. The uncool part, which is how they work it, man, the expected unexpected. The expected outcome is now all I'm facing is a disorderly conduct charge, which is like it's a summary. She dropped it to a summary so that it doesn't go before a jury. It's a bench trial. So now, so the way this works, they're working it is because I got them so dead to rights, they'd be paying me out millions for what they did to me. They have to get a charge. They have to win one of their charges. And that's why they dropped all the heinous bullshit, because I didn't plead out to it and I had them beat, because I didn't do anything wrong and their bullshit charges, so that they can get me with like the most minimal one, which you're not allowed to have a jury trial. Well, it's procedure. You don't have a jury trial for it. We're going to look into that. It's what we're going to get into. So what's going to happen is this judge, who is the former president judge of Dauphin County, where the state capital is in Harrisburg. He's the former president judge. Deputy Attorney General Christine Christ, my prosecutor, she cut her teeth in the Dauphin County's district attorney's office. That's where she got her start. Like, come fresh out of law school, boom, you're gonna start in the capital's district court, as a district attorney. So anyway, these two know each other, and you know what? They're going to do what they're going to do. So at this point, it's really moot. But that shows you exactly what it was. They came at me with that crazy heinous stuff, and once they figured out that I got them beat, they dropped those crazy heinous charges, which I was happy to go before a jury for. That's what I wanted. I wanted to bring in 12 Adams County people so I could show them all the stuff I dug up, like, hey, I'm not... I might be a full-headed veteran, but it's really to protect my brain from the cosmic waves of corruption, So anyway, so they just completely cut that out. And then the second part to that is they just have that corrupt judge find me guilty of, like, the know-nothing charge and, like, pay a fine or whatever. But if they find me guilty on any of these charges, then it's like, oh, well, you're guilty of it, so you can't sue us for damages and all this other stuff. So anyway, that's the unexpected expected. So the unexpected was that they threw 1 and 2 out. But no, I'm not. I'm still looking at, I'm not free. Bo, what's up, brother? No, I'm still have the third charge of disorderly conduct, which is not a bench trial, or which is not a jury trial. It's a bench trial. So they're going to be able to have one judge just find me guilty. This judge, who's prosecutor's old buddy, just find me guilty of it, and then I won't be able to come after them civilly. So that's the pooch. Like, the pooch has been screwed. Like, this is not good. Like, it's cool that I got 1 and 2 thrown out, but now I'm not. They're just gonna have the judge convict me, and I'm gonna have no legal recourse. That's how they hid my triple attempted murder and stabbing by their buddy. That's how I learned not to plead out. It's how I learned to fight it, and I learned to get it in front of a jury. And now they're taking that from me, so I can't come back at them civilly. And like the entire time leading up to this, because we were in there like probably talking like a good 40 minutes or so, and like everything was engineered. Just like I've seen every trial that concerns this racket in that courthouse, and that's why they stopped allowing me to come. It's all engineered. Like, this is going to be my set piece, this is going to be your set piece, this is how we're going to talk about it, and this is the way things are going to go. So they already had that predetermined plan, and they knocked it out. I mean, you want to talk about full-headed conspiracies, but this is to protect their asses. So basically, now that they've removed charge 1 and 2, I'm not going to be able to bring any of that racket in front of a jury. You know what I mean? Which is the whole point I'm doing this. I want to show Adams County. So anyway, what's up? What's up, Katja? Well, did I deliver papers at the courthouse? No. This was a pretrial hearing. I snuck in. I had a lot of work I wanted to get done on this. Dragged a bunch of stuff on the record, and that's why I didn't give y'all a heads up. I appreciate y'all's fans. I didn't want anyone to come in here and make a circus out of this, so they could say that I can't, be here, represent myself. So thanks to y'all, much love. However, when the trial does happen, when we're actually going to do this trial, I'll let y'all know, and y'all can come and attend as, public. And that's the one you're going to want to go to. I'm telling you now, I purposefully not given them one single reason to not allow me to represent myself in court up until now. And like, again, when I go to trial and we actually have this, please don't be confused to kids. Don't be causing a row in the courthouse. Please show up. Thank you so much. I love you all for your support, but we have to do this legally and legitimately and not give them a reason. Because you saw, when they want a reason to hide their buddy getting stabbed because he's in part of the real estate and bankruptcy fraud racket, they'll make that go away. And then if there's a guy here that gets stabbed and is pissed about it and is exposing the real estate racket, they'll materialize worse charges on him than what they were trying to throw away. So anyway, please be respectful and let's not cause a scene. But I'm telling you, it's going to be a show. I got these guys clowned out. It's going to be a show. They think they have control over this. And I talked with Christine in there. I don't know, maybe we're kind of friends now. I'd like to think if we met under different circumstances, we'd have a lot of shared interests. If you're watching, Christine, I want to go on a mushroom hunt, call me. Anyway, I'm so distracted thinking about mushroom hunting with the prosecutor that I forgot where I was going with that. So anyway, let's take some questions. Hi everyone. What's up, Mike D? Thanks, brother. Appreciate it. So yeah. I will let y'all know when trial. Laugh my ass off. What's up, Catch? Yeah, I got y'all gonna want to come to trial. There's only gonna be one time anything like this ever gonna happen. It's too much fun to allow again. Completely legally and legitimately. So, Mike D. Yeah, how'd it go? They threw away charges 1 and 2. But so that they could have the minimal charge, and they dropped that to a lower charge so that you can't have it in front of a jury, so that the judge that they planted can just, make me guilty, and then I won't have civil recourse to come after them. So that's it. That's in a nutshell. Comedian can't. Oh, no, you're good, bro. No, there's a lot of... you'll be able to see what's going on. We're going to have the stenographer's report. Again, I tried to get another stenographer's report so I could do another Crank Acres episode recreating this stuff, and I couldn't find a stenographer to show up. They didn't want to. That's how bad last one was. They thought they'd be able to burn me. I still was able to use it, man. So literally in the last hearing, the stenographer, what does disorderly stem from, Jake Catch asked? Disorderly conduct stems from them falsely arresting me. and it's just a follow-on charge. They when I got arrested, it's just a follow-on charge. They charged me with institutional vandalism, trespassing, and disorderly conduct, just because they always throw, stacked charges. So they threw away. Now that I got the 2 bad ones beat and showing them how they're doing it to cover up this racket that's going on up here, now they even dropped a 3rd one where I can't even bring it before a jury. So, somebody was asking about a motion to record. Yeah, it got denied. Get them, expose them. I got it, man. I'm telling you, y'all want to show up for the trial when it happens. Y'all are gonna want to show up for the trial when it happens. This is gonna be freaking hilarious. Oh man, again, I can't lay it on to it, but it'll be a show. It'll be a show. All love. Hey, thanks, Paul Mooney. Much love from Scotland. Thanks, Paul. Home country, man. Yeah, us Americans are all mutts and all that. I got some scotch in me, man. Not alcohol. It was St. Patty's Day last night. Anyway, that was when you delivered papers, though. You were on court business. No, I was investigating. That's what got my charges throughout. Catch asked that I was legally there, and yeah, basically I was. No, this is from my arrest, man. Yeah, you'd be. Thanks, Cat. Bo, I'd show up if Tony 2 times was there. His office is right here, man. Can you see that? I don't know, man. I got it on my tripod. His office is right there. Right there. So I used to come out of that alley. I can't see if you're seeing. I used to come out of that alley with this this nasty Ford 1-ton diesel with like a straight pipe. It's actually mandrel bent. It's not a straight pipe. But yeah, it would like rattle your teeth fillings loose in that little alley right there. Anyway, here. Dang, man. This is what happens when I mess with stuff. That's why I set it up beforehand. I'm not technologically advanced. Okay, Charles Ellis. You made it out alive. Yeah, thanks, brother. What's up, man? Good to see you, Charles. Charles is one of my active fans. He's got a good grasp on what's going on. A lot of this stuff I really appreciate y'all's fans on because it's such a time investment to read what's really going on. And that's why I have the videos to like show entertaining-wise what's going on. But really getting into the documents really shows what the crap is going on. So Charles Ellis, thanks for being one of those guys that does that. He knows what I'm talking about. Sandy, what's up, brother? Can't wait for the next episode. Hey, yeah, dude. Next episode might be court. I don't know. Lee Sparks. Oh, what's up, brother? Thanks, brother. Yeah. I don't know what I was gonna jaw jack about. We want pics of the prosecutor. I can't. I mean, it's not fun to objectify professional women, and that's so I got to walk a fine line where I'm complimentary and not, So the case is still going on. Who knows, man? Maybe we'll team up after this. She'll fire her deadbeat cop husband, and who like his claim to fame is that he killed another American. Like, that's how hardcore that cop is. So maybe she's met a real man now. She's broke her reality in life, and she can come look me up. I'm all about girls with jobs, professional women with jobs. Man, I already checked my ego box, man. My goal in life is to be a homemaker husband. So, like, I can raise my kids. I have my garden. Go hunting when the hunting cycle's up. Go mushroom when the mushroom cycle's up. Go live my life. You want to go out and win the bread so we can pay for the kids? Go for it, man. Thanks, honey. I'll have dinner waiting for him to get back. I'm a good cook. So anyway, what? This is all just funny head games I'm just talking about. Look at the disorderly conduct definitions. Yeah. I'm telling you guys want to be here. I didn't do this to like be a defendant. I didn't do this to prove that I'm better than anybody. I did this to show the world the corruption that goes on in this courthouse. And if y'all come and attend the hearing when it happens, y'all be able to see it. So thanks, y'all. So I love talking with y'all fans, and this is awesome. This is amazing. Right now at this stage in the channel and the documentary, the more that I do these interaction videos is the more that new people click on and just see me jaw jacking with the camera. There's zero production value here. These episodes are great, and I love interacting with y'all, and you're my rocks, and you're the reason why I'm here, and I appreciate that. I just try not to do it too often so that people lose the narrative. This is not just some jerk talk in front of a camera. That's what YouTubers end up doing because they need watch time. So I love updating y'all. I used to do a lot more updates on the community page, but like that's, I'm so shadow banned. It's ridiculous. That don't even work no more. Whatever. So anyway, we're gonna have to come out with the Netflix documentary for people to really see what's going on. So anyway, faith always, bro. Thanks, Scottish One. Hey, one of my old fans. What's up, Scottish One? Good to see you, brother. Sandy, yo. What ID benefits everywhere? Yes, funny enough, I don't want to project too much for the cronies to know, but that's the other part of this, is once I beat these criminal charges, I'm gonna go after these guys civilly and show y'all that process too. So we've had a good look into the crazy kangaroo BS of the criminal courts. Then I'm gonna come document the crazy BS with my civil courts, which I actually have a little bit of. It's a playlist called How I Sued the Government. It's earlier on. It's when I took them to federal court for racketeering, and then that's when they hit me with these charges, you know. So I kind of halfway followed that before in that playlist, but it's not very good, and it's crappily edited, and you know, you just got to do this stuff to get better at it, and I've gotten a lot better along the way, so I can't look back and feel poo-poo about my old stuff. But anyway, I didn't really know anything about law. I didn't know procedure. So everything was just like a poop shoot and a crazy wolf chick. Whereas I missed it. Sorry. So everything's just a poop shoot, and I've learned a lot along the way, and I've gotten pretty good, man. Especially because I feel like I'm not constrained by typical lawyer thought processes. I didn't go to school to become a lawyer. So this brain right here is not cubicled and stacked to lawyer block, build things. My brain is completely free and has no idea coming into this stuff. So I get to look at these blocks for what they are. They're just a bunch of blocks built together for fucking corruption. And that's the guerrilla fighter's advantage, is you get a fresh set of rules, man. You can operate where people don't expect. You never engage their strengths. You engage targets of opportunity. You come at them from left field. I mean, a lot of this is out of the Sun Tzu video. A lot of y'all have watched it. Anyhow. So, yeah. I'm in a comfortable spot, man. It's where I've lived my entire life, and I've always tumbled out of it. Case in point, look, we just got those 2 charges thrown out. We got the state so scared, they withdrew all the charges, but to keep from their butts being fried civilly for this, they held on to the most minimal charge that can't go in front of a jury, that they can get the one sapper taxes. Woo, catch, you know it. Engineer the battlefield, man. I don't know fucking law, so I know a little tiny tidbit, and I'm gonna try to engineer them to get into that trap. Woo, sapper. Anyway, I'm getting into jaw jacking a lot. So questions, y'all. Questions, hit me up. Now we're talk tagging. So what went on today? They threw out the first 2 charges so that they could have not a jury oversee the last charge, so that I can't come back, so that they can have the judge approve it, so that I can't come back after them civilly. All right, next question. Sorry, guys. When a question happens like that, I can only lock on to one question at a time. That's where my mind goes. That's combat arms brain. Again, I'm not capable of multitasking. That's why me and the prosecutor make such a dang old good team, man. I'm telling you. Anyway, yeah, bring them down to your level. Yeah, I just love coming at him like Jackie Chan off the rooftop with a leg drop, bang. What the fuck? I didn't even know Jackie was over here, man. Yeah, it's entertaining. Oh, and she said, we were talking in there, she said I never ceased to amaze her because she motioned to drop those 2 charges, and I objected, and then I motioned to reconsider. I'm like, hell no, you're not doing these charges. The whole thing I was up here to do was to show 12 Adams County motherfuckers what the fuck's going on in this court. No, you're not taking that. I object. You are not throwing those charges out on me. That really happened, man. That I really did that. And that's what she was commenting on. She's like, you never cease to amaze me. And I'm like, I've heard that my entire life, because I'm freaking ignorant. Like, people expect you to give up, and I don't. It's like, this dude's issue. You have no idea the power of my ignorance. So anyway, that's what I was getting on, and she's, yeah, I always get distracted talking about the prosecutor, man. This is so messed up. Hey, if you want to go mushroom hunting, hit me up. I'm just anybody. You know who I'm talking about. Anyway, all right, questions. You need a Marine infantryman. I got hell yeah. I love my devil dogs. Hatfield McCoy. Yeah, typically there's a lot of contention going on between the armed services, and I agree and concur with that. Dogs will quarrel amongst themselves, but they're one against the wolf. So when you're just amongst a bunch of dogs, Army and Marine Corps are going to talk a lot of smack about each other, because I was an Army guy because I don't like to frolic around in the surf with a bunch of other dudes. But I'm just kidding around. I love Marines. I love the Marine attitude. I was Army Combat Arms, which I feel like dovetails more into the general Marine mentality. And I worked post my career 6 years with I'd say about half of them were Marines, man. Well overrepresented from the 10% of our legal population. But I love my devil dogs. Love talking with y'all. Love the way y'all think. I love the way that you'll step in shit and be like, oh yeah, well I didn't mind that, and then you make little shit things to block out the sun. Be like, yeah, I meant to do that. Yeah, I love that mentality. I love it. Army all the way, cat. You know it. Yeah, we don't flock around and serve with a bunch of other dudes. We're talking about Marines. My ass rides in Navy equipment. Love you, Army. He's coming back. See, he knows, man. It's all good fun, man. It's all good. Even squids, dude. Even squids are cool, man. Yeah, dude, I got family, and I talk a lot of shit about MPs. I got family that are MPs, man. I got good buddies that are MPs. It just is one of those things, man. I was a combat engineer. We go to basic training, one station unit training, in the same place that MPs do, where they get their training. So we literally, just us combat engineers and MPs are next to each other training. So we have this gut rot rivalry. Oh man, it's you're not allowed to be a combat engineer if you're caught associating with an MP. I couldn't tell people I had family who were MPs the entire time I was in, man. So that's how bad that contention is. And I'm not talking shit about all MPs. All I'm saying is, until they open up combat arms, that's the toughest job chicks could do. I'll let you read into that one. Anyway, what was your MS? 12 bang bang tag. Combat engineer. I was in a sapper company. I followed his troubles. Mike D, what's up, team? All right, I'm jaw jacking a lot. MP, Bravo, Blue Falcons, man. Yeah, absolutely. See, and that's generation across with Marines too. They know. Yeah, and versus Red Legs. Going Mississippi outlaw Jersey Wales Red Legs on us. Cat, you're hilarious, man. Slim Jim, hey brother. Yo, thanks brother. Yeah, I got you gotta watch. I've gone over it a lot. 0311 Hatfield, you got it. 03 series, man. See, I even know about your 03 series because I even had 0325 buddies that were missile launchers, and I got to knock on those Marines. It's what? You went to school and your purpose in life is to launch a tow missile. Army's yeah, you can do that. You're an infantryman and you can launch a tow missile. You don't have to have a whole job about it, but that's again where you getting to talk smack about the different services, because Marine Corps will have a job where you launch tow missiles. Army will have a job you're an infantryman, but you're on this vehicle and you're gonna launch tow missiles. Catch 13 Fox, what's up, team? Yeah, catch. Yeah, we're brothers. We're all brothers in this. So anyway, what was I jaw jacking about? Any more questions? It's all connected. Yeah, you know it. York County. Yo, Slim Jim, what's up? York. Hey, Slim Jim. I'll put it on my community page. Let y'all know when trial happens. Y'all come. It'll be entertaining as hell. Happy. Thanks, brother. Appreciate it. Yeah, any local people, I'll put that up. The notifications. I'm getting screwed by YouTube on notifications. One thing that helps out is if you unsubscribe and then resubscribe. Tag. Well, you guys are so distracting. I'm trying to tell people stuff, man. You try to unsubscribe and resubscribe with all notifications on. It's so distracting to talk to y'all because, I guess we do a lot of comedy on here, so it attracts a lot of comedy people. So, I get a lot of comic comments, and they're just so distractionary, Between the prosecutor and y'all, how the hell am I supposed to operate as my own attorney? So, anyway, I'm jaw jacking a lot. Let me hit up a few more questions. Anybody got anything? Yeah, you're getting screwed by YouTube. Yeah, Catch. Hey, until you live it, you don't see what the shadow ban is. But you look at, all the banned people, Russell Brand, Jimmy Dore, Joe Rogan, and you look online and they all say the same thing: it's control, man. Intelligent people, yeah, and people that you can converse with. They're people that you don't tune into their program to get bitched at on why you should hate something so bad. You tune into their program, and they're like, all right, so here's this thing, and I brought in this guy to talk about it, and we're just going to talk about it. And we're going to learn what the other people that don't agree with us are saying about this, so we're going to be able to understand what they're talking about. And instead of everyone being so freaked out and over here, we realize that we're really all in the middle, all getting screwed by the mofos up here. So, yeah, I mean, total, man. Is again, foil hat, man. I just, like, sell foil hats, dude. Let other people know you know. Nasty Nachos and Common Sense Seaweed. Maddie Eli. All right. They don't just like it. No. And that's why they dismissed the 2 top charges, because it'd bring on all that stuff onto the record. So now that they dismissed that, now what their charges are, everything that I'm saying does not like apply to that. And the judge is going to be able to ignore it or rule it and make it go through anyway. So that was the expected outcome. The unexpected one was that they tossed the first 2 charges. So just entertaining. Anyway. Thanks, Paul. Appreciate it, brother. Thanks for showing up. Yeah, I'm wrapping up. Any more questions? Any more questions? Catch, thanks for being around, brother. I appreciate it. Team. What do we got? That's it? All right. Well, I'm wrapping up. Much love, y'all. I'm done jaw-jacking. It's going to be probably a couple weeks or a month or something like that before they do this little hokey-doke trial up here. But yeah, it's going to be entertaining. It is going to be entertaining. So appreciate it, y'all. I'm going to see how I can work it on there. Do the notifications thing, unsubscribe, resubscribe, re-click on all notifications. Maybe it'll be worthwhile for me to start posting stuff up on my community page and keeping you all updated on what's going on. But we'll do some more heads-up videos and whatnot. Thanks, y'all. Scott SD, Tag, Team, Catch. Much love, y'all. Skip Grumbless. Who knows women living would liberate us ego check dudes. That completely stumped me for once. I'm like out of words, man. So I don't know where. Airborne. Airborne. Got it. All right. Yep. Stay frosty, Anthony. Thanks, brother. Appreciate it. Much love, y'all. I will update y'all. First for Lords is make the lies believable. Yeah, you know it. Oh man, Leon Sills, right on it. Right on it. Yeah, they engineer it to make it sound plausible, like you're the one wearing a full hat. You're like, no, well, you need it, man. There's a bunch of cosmic corruption waves going on. Anyway. Cheers, Colin. Appreciate it. Yeah, I'll catch up with y'all. I'll update the community page. I've just been lawyering my face off. I have a couple motions that drag some crazy stuff on the record, which is why they tossed those out. I haven't published yet because it shows this courthouse losing child sexual assault kit pictures to throw the case for the HUD director's son that got caught diddling a couple girls while she's underneath a HUD fraud investigation herself. So they can just throw it all out and get away from what the real estate and bank fraud racket that's going on in these courts that once I dragged on the record, they figured out how to throw the charges out, so I couldn't drag them on the record. Still got your full hat on. Anyway, much love, y'all. I'm getting gone out of here. I'll stick up. This is why I'm doing all this full-hatted stuff, and y'all ain't been hearing from me much. I can't produce anything of value because I'm too busy beating these charges, and it showed the day. So, much love. Thanks. I want to be around. I'll let y'all know about the hearing. Catch. Thanks, brother. Appreciate it. Y'all take care.